The business plan that we encourage you to do is plan to make it happen. So, do you need a business plan to start a business? What do you think? Based on our experience, right, we never had a business plan when we started our business. We were at the point where we had to make something happen, and everything just evolved very naturally. There was no logistics, statistics. We just made it happen, right? And we found so many answers throughout the actual action, taking action through, listening to the people we are working with, that allowed us to continue to evolve. That was something that we could have never thought prior. Like, we could have never thought the strategy that we actually have now and all the little details if we didn't start to take action. So you might be thinking, well, I have to make a business plan because I don't know, it sounds fancy. It sounds like, you listen to some business owners and they're like, okay, this is my business plan, da 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 da. Right? So you're thinking you have to have a business. But based on our experience, and that's the only way that we can actually speak from, is that you don't need a business plan. The business plan is to just start, to continue, take action, and make something happen. And you will find the business plan at the end.
If you're talking about making a business plan, that's an evolution thing. It will always be changing. So don't waste your time making it all pretty, printing it out, laminating it. No, you don't have to do that. You can laminate your goals, if you want to call that a business plan. That'd be great. But don't get so stuck on some templated cookie cutter shaped thing that's out there for the world to think that you have a business, when in reality it's just a piece of paper, you know?
Kind of like a resume.
Yeah.
Right? Like when you're done, you put all your stuff on a resume. But really, as far as like where people are hiring now, is skill sets, it's personality, it's, what do you have like that you can offer somebody that's not on paper, but that you actually do in real life. And so the business plan that we encourage you to do is plan to make it happen.